Sa side po ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas, of course, as we have very good coordinations with the Philippine Coast Guard, ina-assure po namin ang taong bayan, lalo na po ang ating mga mangingisda, na nandyan na po ang constant presence ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas through our Navy, with our maritime patrols. Nandyan po tayo 24/7, and we also conduct aerial patrols through our Air Force. So tahimik man po kami because it's national security, we are gray ships, and iba po yung notion pag gray ships ang nakita nyo, no? It's a warlike situation. But rest assured po na nandiyan po tayo patrolling the waters at any one time. And of course, with our heightened alliances with like-minded nations and well-meaning nations, nandiyan din po yung pag-conduct natin ng exercises together with our allies and partner nations. So we conduct regular multilateral maritime exercises with them. And maganda pong i-highlight dito that it is the first time that we conducted balikatan exercises na 7 country po ang actively participating at this time. So dumami po, no, yung ating dati po US and the Philippines lang are long-standing ally, and now we have status of visiting forces agreements with a lot of other countries. So nandyan po yung France, which is recently signed. Meron po tayo with New Zealand, South Korea, no, and we have an RAA also with Japan. So lumalawig po ito, nakikita nila. Oh, yes, Australia, sir, we also have a SOLFA with them. So 7 po yan ngayon, and we have boots on the ground na po ngayon dun sa ating balikatan exercises. And nakita po natin with 17,000 troops joining this year, we'll have more of this as in the coming years. And these are all deterrent activities, sir. Opo, for designed for defense operations po.